Absorption of food occurs by three different mechanisms. Absorption of food means what? Absorption of food means transportation of food substances, glucose, amino acids, etc. from the small intestine into the cells lining the villi and from the cells into the blood capillaries. It is a kind of transportation of nutrients from the lumen of the small intestine into the mucosa, from the mucosa into the blood capillaries. So this transportation occurs by either passive transport or active transport or facilitated transport. Passive transport means transportation of the nutrients or molecules from the region of their higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration. Passive transportation occurs by simple diffusion. The biomolecules like glucose simply diffuse from the lumen of the small intestine into the mucosal cells. When water molecules, alcohol or any solvent diffuses from the region of higher water concentration to the region of lower water concentration, this is called osmosis. Osmosis is only for solvents. Diffusion is for other solutes. But both occur from the region of higher concentration of the molecules to the region of lower concentration of the molecules. There is no energy expenditure. There is no utility of energy. Active transport means transportation of the nutrients from the region of their lower concentration to the region of their higher concentration. It requires energy which is obtained from hydrolysis of ATP. It is energy driven process. Facilitated transport is just like passive transport, no energy expenditure, and molecules are transported from the region of their higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration. But there is a difference between passive and facilitated transport. The nutrients or biomolecules are transported from the lumen to the mucosa or mucosal cells with the help of a carrier. The carrier is called the transporter. It facilitates absorption. Without the carrier, without the transporter, the nutrients cannot be absorbed. The carrier or transporter is present in the plasma membrane or cell membrane of the mucosa or mucosal cells lining the villi. The carrier or transporter facilitates the transportation of nutrients. So these are the three mechanisms by which absorption of food takes place.